Okay, so you'll notice here that this part of my keyhole is blue. I've been trying for a while to constrain it, so I'm actually going to give up on that. If you can't constrain something and you've tried, at this stage, don't worry about it. It's best practice, but I don't want you to spend hours trying to constrain your sketches. It will still work. So at this stage, we're going to click Finish Sketch. And I'm just going to go back into my home position. So what we want to do now, let's just turn this hanger back on again, is we want to fill up the rest of this shape, but leave that hole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click E for Extrude, and I'm just going to hover over the outside of the profile, and I want to make sure that it goes up 3 millimeters. So you'll notice that I'm using the arrow to try to figure out what direction it's going to go. And because I'm going from the back of the shape up to the top, it actually is -3. I wouldn't have been able to figure that out if I hadn't kind of dragged the arrow to help myself see. And now Fusion will very likely do this properly for you, but you always want to check the operation, because in this case, we don't want it to be a new body. We don't want this to be a separate piece from that. We want it to join, so the whole thing ends up being one shape. We're going to click OK. So now if I turn on all of my hangers, you can see basically what I've got is I've got the back of the hanger. So the screw will go through here, and then it'll slot up into there. And there's enough space on the inside here for the screw head to go. And my mechanism is just like that. So the next step is for us to start working on the clock face.